case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2011, a case between Facebook Inc. and Pacific Northwest Software Inc. was heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, focusing on the idea that a settlement agreement can release unknown claims arising from the transaction that gave rise to the litigation, and evidence presented in mediation is not admissible if the parties signed a confidentiality agreement. Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss sued Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg, alleging that they stole their idea for the social networking site. In response, Facebook countersued the Winklevosses and their competing site Connect2You for allegedly hacking into Facebook and stealing user data. The case led to a mediation session, and before the mediation began, the parties signed a confidentiality agreement. After a day of negotiations, they signed a handwritten settlement agreement in which the Winklevosses agreed to give up Connect2You in exchange for cash and a piece of Facebook. However, the settlement fell apart during negotiations over the final deal documents, prompting Facebook to seek its enforcement. Connect2You argued that the settlement agreement was unenforceable due to lack of material terms and fraud. Despite this, the district court found the settlement agreement enforceable, leading the Winklevosses to appeal. Ultimately, the court held that the settlement agreement was enforceable and legal precedent supported upholding parties' agreements to end litigation. The Winklevosses were unable to use mediation evidence for securities claims as it violated the confidentiality agreement. Consequently, they couldn't back out of their settlement with Facebook, emphasizing the necessity for litigation to eventually come to an end.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.